Sorry, I'm afraid they're crawling up my legs. I have to keep watching. Okay, they've been playing on this all night. And they get up here and knock each other down. And then there was 3 left, and it seemed like those 3 were the winners a while ago. And see, the other ones are coming back up after they've been knocked on the ground. It's this white foam board. I feel them on my legs. I can't take it. Oh, they're all over. Okay, let's just get a look at them. I'm sorry, I'm a terrible camera person. I can't stand to have something crawling up my... without knowing about it. Okay. I mean, there were hundreds more of these an hour ago. They've thinned out since it's been coming daylight. And they've been talking, communicating with one another. But that has also thinned out. Okay, let's see if we can get these guys playing. There we go. And they hit each other. Look. Okay, I gotta go.